Hey guys, welcome to today's video. On this video, we're going to be talking about, it's just going to be a vocabulary video about artificial intelligence. Okay, so let's start with the video. It's going to be a real brief, short video. Okay, so so the first word is going to be a cognitive scientist. What is this? Basically, this is the person who studies how the mind works. Okay, not a psychologist. Remember, I mean, in a way, psychologists they do study how the mind works. However, they are more focused into another processes, basically. So a cognitive scientist, the person who studies how the mind works. However, really, how can I say this? Focused to your brain itself, okay? To the brain, not emotions, not personality disorders or stuff like that. No. So basically, like to your brain, okay? Your physical brain. Like, how does it work? Next, we have all of this. Remember, the context of this, it's artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Basically, it's like we can, yeah, start to think like a really simple example, like a robot. However, remember, robots are becoming more autonomous. Okay? So that is going to be like your artificial intelligence. For example, when you play video games, if you play video games against the computer, if you're not playing online to another person, you are basically playing against artificial intelligence. Okay, so that's a real simple example. So next we have case-based reasoning. It's the process of solving new problems based on the solutions of similar past problems. Okay, so basically this is how artificial intelligence is going to learn how to solve problems. If one problem was solved using uh, a method, something of a similar past problem, maybe the artificial intelligence is going to use that solution to solve this problem. Okay? Then we have model-based reasoning. What is this? Model-based reasoning refers to an inference method used in expert system based on a model of the physical world. So basically, it's just going to be like the robot or the artificial intelligence reasoning, how it can solve that problem, however, using any model or examples, and it's going to infer based on what's available in the physical world. Okay? Algorithm. Now, the definition of an algorithm, it's a process or set of rules to be followed in calculations or other problem-solving operations, especially by a computer. We have one clear example. When you guys use Spotify, when you play music, Spotify is going to suggest music similar to the one you have listened before. Basically, that's an algorithm. It's going to give you a solution following a set of rules. For example, if you listen to, let's imagine, just to give an example, let's imagine that on Spotify you listen, I don't know, J Balvin, Maluma, and any other reggaetonero, whoever you guys want. Maybe Spotify is going to suggest Bad Bunny, for example. Why? Because the music that Bad Bunny produces is really similar to the ones that I mentioned before. Okay, Spotify it's only going to follow that algorithm to give you something similar. Okay, machine learning, the field of creating algorithms that computers can learn from. So basically, that's it. I don't know. Let's imagine a robot has algorithms. Well, every single robot has algorithms in their programming. Okay, but the machine learning, it's basically, I mean, the very word gives you the definition. It's how machines, robots or any machine is going to learn how to solve a problem or how to provide a solution based on previous problems. Okay. Agent, basically, in artificial intelligence, an intelligent agent refers to an autonomous entity which acts directing its activity towards achieving goals. Okay? Upon environment using observation through sensors and consequent actuators. And for example, now all of that in context produce like that robot, it's intelligent. Remember, we have robots real simple robots, but they need to be controlled by humans. Okay, so artificial intelligence or an agent, it's implying like that robot it's starting to be autonomous. What is autonomous? Remember, an autonomous robot means it doesn't need a human to control it. Okay, so basically that's the difference between an agent, artificial intelligence agent, and a robot. Okay, and basically a robot at the end, a machine capable of independent actions. Okay, that's a robot basically. Let me continue with the final part of the video real quick. Pattern recognition. Classifying objects by appearance. What is a pattern? A pattern, it's going to be something that is going to repeat, okay? Throughout the time, it's something that it's going to repeat. Now, when something repeats, the robot, the artificial intelligence, it's going to classify, it could be an object, it could be, I don't know, a music file, anything by its repetition. It's going to classify objects or items by their appearance. It could be by the physical appearance, some robots can do that, or file by the type of the file, okay? And computer vision, giving machines the ability to see. Okay, basically that's computer vision. So guys, that is all for today's video. Remember, if you have any questions about this vocabulary, please make sure to ask those questions to your teachers. Okay, they will be more than happy to help you out. So that'll be all for today's video, guys. Take care, and I will see you later.